if the program was given like this, to add all numbers in this form, add the numbers, not all numbers, add the numbers in this form, like 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Let me write it. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. What will be the next one? It's 4 into 7 plus 5 into 9 plus next one 6 into 10. How come? See, 1 into 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. I repeat, check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So what will be this one? 7 into something. How much? Now check out the next thing. 2, 3, this will be 1. This is not 2, this is 1. So check out what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 10. This is 10. So what will be the next one? This is not 10. This is 11. I repeat once more. See what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So what will be this one? 13. So what is the next thing? Next term? 8 into 15. As simple as that. And plus dot 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 dot. If this is the nth term, so definitely this is n. This is n into, I can again calculate using arithmetic. It must be 2 into n minus 1, that is 2n minus 1. Is not it so? See, 8, 15, 2 into 8 minus 1, 15. 2 into 7, 14, 14 minus 1, 13. 2 into 6, 12, 12 minus 1, 11. 2 into 5, 10, 10 minus 1, 9. 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So, obviously this one is same, n into 2n minus 1, even the first one. Don't forget, 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So, this is n into 2n minus 1. So, how to write this program? I think you can understand it will be almost the same. Clear screen, in sum I, n, let it be there, or maybe I just get rid of this entire thing. Let me write once more. It makes it easier to understand. So, the program goes like this. What will I have to write? First thing, I will have to declare an I. What is the I? I will be this one. 1, 2, 3 and so on, 4, these are I. Now let this be J, 1, 3, 5, 7, let these be J. So this is J. I will need N definitely to mark the end and the sum. So I will have to ask for only one thing from the user. What is that? Enter the value of n, that is the end term number. You can write within bracket the end term number, or the number of the end last term. You can write like that. So n term number I will ask from the user. Where will I scan it? Definitely I will scan it within a variable called n. Now printf and scanf done. So I should initialize the sum. Sum should be initialized to how much? 0, because this whole thing has to be sum. So this was write a program to compute. Let us write it completely. Write a program to compute this, and this has to be within the comments. So sum, this whole thing is the sum equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 and so on. So that sum must be initialized to 0. So what should I be initialized to? 1. Which one is I? As I told you, this 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, these are the I. So I should be initialized to 1. Now let this be j. 1, 3, 5, 7, these are j. So then again j should be initialized to how much? 1 again. I initialized to 1, j also initialized to 1. Now once this is done, the while loop, while I starts from 1, how long should I continue? Check out what? I can be 1, I can be 2, I can be 3, I can be 4, so I can keep on increasing. So I can even reach n, but I can never reach n plus 1. So I should always be, the condition is, this should continue as long as I is less than equal to n, because once I becomes greater than n, that is n plus 1, then I can say that once I becomes greater than n, that is n plus 1, then I will have to end the program. So how much should be sum? How should I calculate sum? Sum must be sum plus, see, I and j, this is I, this is I, this is j. So definitely it is I into j. So it is sum equal to sum plus I into j. But you remember which one is I once again? This is I, 1, 2, 3, these are I. So which one is j? This one is j, 1, 3, 5. So see, I is increasing by how much? I is increasing by 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But j is increasing by how much? 1, 3, 5 and so on. So j must be increasing by 2. So if I continue with this, then I must be increasing by 1. How much should j increase? By 2. So sum is equal to sum plus I into j, and that will serve our purpose. And as I know that I becomes equal to n, j will definitely achieve the last term, that is 2n minus 1, because I have started I from 1 and I have kept on incrementing by 1. So similarly I have started j from 1 and I have kept on incrementing by 2. So definitely when I achieves the value n, j will definitely achieve the value 2 into n minus 1, because it is going in the same way, same direction. So this is how the program is written. If I run this program, it should definitely run, but let us not forget to print the output. Like last time I had forgotten, printf the value of the expression is %d. So where is the value? Where is the sum? The variable called sum, definitely. So let me run it now. Alt enter, no errors, end. Let me for the time being take 3 only. 3 means only 3 terms. 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 3, that is 6. And 3 into 5, that is 15. 1 plus 6 plus 15. How much is it? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 15 is 22. It is calculating perfectly. However, if I would have written 4 instead of 3, then what should have been there? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7, that is a 28 would have been added, which means the sum would have been 50. Let me run it. Alt 4, check out, it is 50. So this is perfect. Could I have written this program in slightly other way? Yes, I could have avoided the j. Not always a good thing to do. Not always that you try to do it without using many variables, or try to do it using less number of variables is a good practice, because sometimes using more variables can give more readability or more understandability to your program. So over here, keeping the j might have brought in a better understandability of the program. But however, yes, I can avoid this j and write the program, because I always know that this j is 2 into I minus 1. Check out what 1 is, as I told you at the beginning. 1 is 2 into 1 minus 1. 3 is 2 into 2 minus 1. 5 is 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 into this 3 minus 1. 7 is 2 into 4 minus 1. 9 is 2 into 5 minus 1. 11 is 2 into 6 minus 1. So definitely this j is 2 into I minus 1. So I can avoid this j, and within the bracket I could have written 2 into j minus 1. Sum equal to sum plus I into 2 into I minus 1, sorry, not j, 2 into I minus 1, because j is equal to 2 into I minus 1, and j equal to j plus 2 could have been totally avoided, because I is incrementing by 1, means I enters with the value of 1. So first time it is I equal to 1, sum equal to sum plus 1 into 2 into 1 minus 1, which is 1 itself. So sum equal to sum plus 1 into 1. Then I increases by 1, I becomes equal to 2. So sum equal to sum plus, next time 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 3. So 2 into 3. The program would have worked. Let me run once more. So yes, let me again take the 3. It is 22. Let me again run. Let us make it 4. Yes, it is 50. So the program runs fine. We can take a bit of break and come back again. Thank you.